Hello, everybody. As promised, I am going to demonstrate to you how to use the portable coffee maker that was sent to me by the generous people at FinalPress. So, this is how we do it. So, I have here coffee grounds, and then I'll put 2 tablespoons of ground coffee into the container. So, two spoonful of coffee grounds is enough for me. I cover it by twisting. Let's cover it and let us put that aside. And now we're ready to make our own brewed coffee using this portable coffee maker. I put this into the glass. Then I pour. Let's pour a hot water, and I just put enough to level the edge of the container. So, and then let us just put this aside for 2 minutes, and then later on we will stir this one to extract the coffee flavor. So after 2 minutes, now you can see that the color of the water is changing. So as you notice, it is changing. Even if we have not stirred it yet, the water changes color. And then we stir like 20 times. Oh, this is how easy it is to use this coffee maker, this portable coffee maker. Then we press the tip so that we can extract more from the coffee grounds. So this is it. Very easy and quick. So after that, after pressing, we leave it again for like 2 minutes to be able to extract more from the coffee ground. So after that, after 2 minutes, let's stir it again. So we have now the darker color of coffee, and the aroma smells delicious. So let's press it again to extract more. And that's it. We have now a cup of coffee ready to drink. So this is how to use the portable coffee maker, the FinalPress that was sent to me. So if you are interested, I will leave the link to the product where you can buy it online. So we have a brewed coffee and ready for consumption, ready to drink. Thank you very much, guys. This is it. And our final product.